like to say, so I'll start first with you, Mom, with your personal vows.
Would you like me to hold it? I'll hold it.
Frederick, as we stand before family and friends, I'd like to say I cherish you as my friend. You came along when I really needed a friend. You've been the kind of friend that you didn't judge, you just loved. Many know you, many call you the world's only worthologist.
Come on.
But I know you as the world's only worthologist. Because today, you marry your message.
Come on. My God. Come on.
My pledge to you today is to forfeit every will of mine for yours because of the Jesus that's in you. What I love about you is that you love God and you don't mind showing it. What I love about you is that you love my family and you don't mind showing it.
Come on.
What I love about you, Frederick, is that you taught me to respect you. That it's all about respect. You ask that I respect you more than I love you.
Come on.
And today I stand here to tell you and to tell everybody else that I respect you, Frederick Jones, and I love you dearly.
Amen. My God. My God. My God. Take your time. Take your time. Don't be tough to be dead.
Set me up. I was supposed to go first. Wow. Not too often had a loss of words. But, Loretta. Sheree and Shante, y'all really set this up. I won't be long. I'm gonna do this. Okay.
Okay.
When I met y'all over Ponce de Leon, Daryl and Ramon, y'all was driving up, dropping them off. They were in there studying for the bar. And those of you who know me, I failed the bar exam about 7 times. I failed the Georgia bar exam about 3 or 4 times. Then I said, "The hell with it. I'll come on back to Louisiana where I passed the bar." And so, I won't be long on this, but
You got time.
I saw y'all. And then I heard they were from Louisiana. And I was in Georgia. And I was out there raising Jonathan and Freddie, kind of alone. And when I saw that Louisiana thing, it just felt like home. But your character, your discipline spoke volumes to me. And I have always respected you. I sent you a text the other day. I don't see you as girls. I see you as giants.
Okay.
And I pray I see you as God's giants. And you ain't seen nothing yet.
All right.
About what God is about to do. Loretta, I'm gonna pull a line from Jonathan Jones's vows. I'm gonna copy. I vow to be a student of you. You say I married my message. You are a powerhouse. And the word that has just consistently jumped up in my spirit about you is you are a pearl of great price.
Come on.
And the man, he found the pearl and he sold everything to buy the whole field in order to get the pearl. I'm all here. all yours. George Jones said, I cried a million tears down through the years, searching for that special one. It's been almost 30 years that I've waited on God. And I know He has delivered. And I vow to love you like you've never been loved before. I want to say to Sheree and Shantae, you can let her go today. I see you looking. They're not buying that. Okay, man. We got some more work to do. We all do this together, okay? But I want to just say, to Daryl and Ramon, I have the utmost respect for you. I remember when we was in that black box, and we met at a restaurant, and we sit down and talk. And Daryl said, it's going to take some time. It's going to take a process. Ramon said, you don't need too much of this in and out stuff in front of the kids. We need to get this right. I respected that. And I respected that. I want to say to the children, Berkeley, Maddie, Gray, and August, you're the world's best children and grandchildren. I love you all, and I vow to honor your grandmother like she's never been honored and loved before. I say to all you witnesses here, this lady was real with me the very first night when we sat out in your driveway and we talked. And she opened her heart up to me and told me the truth the very first night. There's a saying we have in the industry, transparency is the new prosperity. And when you tell your real story, you show God's glory. You gave me your real story. You didn't fool. You allowed me to know you. And I love you for that. I love you for that. So I don't, you already gave that tear-jerking speech, so I'm gonna quit.